C series. When you hear the word C, let the first thing that will come to your mind be enclosure or envelope. So C series paper sizes are usually the envelope standards. How do we mean? So it's a common, it also follows the ISO standard, ISO 269 international standard. So it's used primarily for envelope. So is the AC series is designed to fit A series paper neatly when folded. So how do we mean? If you want to enclose paper A, for example A4 now, the envelope that we suit or that we fit in for A4 paper perfectly is the C4. It's just to maintain a kind of consistency or a standard whereby there will not be confusion. So when you want to, for example, if you want to enclose your A3 paper, you know that the envelope you are looking for will be C3, just to make it easier. So if you don't fold your A4 and you want an envelope that will fit in, just make sure you ask for C4 envelope. That means you are because it's just lightly slightly bigger than C4. Let's go and check the dimension. Now C4, don't forget what is our dimension for A4 paper is 210 by 297. That is the dimension. Now look at the dimension for C4. We have 229 millimeter by 324 millimeter, which give it enough allowance, enough space for A4 to enter. And if you have like a few numbers of A4, it will be easy for them to enter into C4 paper conveniently